Drones have come a long way, but is it really worth dropping stacks on a premium model? Or can budget-friendly drones hold their own? Today we're breaking down the best drones of 2025, from high-end cinematic beasts to affordable flyers perfect for beginners. Stick around and check the description for all the links. For those who want the best of the best, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is the gold standard of compact drones. Weighing under 249 grams, this foldable drone is packed with premium features. The 4K HDR camera delivers stunning high dynamic range footage, while the RC2 remote with a built-in screen ensures smooth control without needing a phone. This bundle includes 3 batteries for extended flight time, a Deco Gear custom hard case for travel protection, and an attachable wide-angle lens for capturing expansive landscapes. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced auto-filming modes, and 20-kilometer video transmission, this is the ultimate choice for pro creators and travelers. Another high-end powerhouse is the Specta Air drone, designed for professional aerial cinematography. What makes this drone stand out is its dual primary cameras, a wide-angle lens for capturing breathtaking landscapes, and a medium telephoto lens for zoomed-in cinematic shots. It shoots 4K/60 frames per second HDR video and 48 megapixel still photos, giving you pro-level clarity. The all-direction obstacle sensing helps avoid crashes, while the 20-kilometer full HD video transmission ensures smooth, real-time footage even at long distances. With an impressive 46-minute flight time and advanced auto-filming features, this drone is a dream setup for filmmakers, vloggers, and photographers. If you're looking for a pro drone without spending a fortune, the Ruko F11PRO 2 offers fantastic value. Equipped with a 6K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, this drone provides buttery smooth video stabilization, making it perfect for content creators. It records 4K 30 frames per second video, giving you sharp and detailed footage. The 10,000-foot FPV transmission range ensures real-time video streaming without major latency. With 2 powerful batteries, you get a total of 70 minutes of flight time, reducing the hassle of frequent recharging. Features like auto return, beginner mode, and GPS-assisted flight make this an ideal option for both pros and newcomers. If you want 4K footage on a budget, the Specta Mini GPS drone is a solid pick. Weighing under 249 grams, it's lightweight, portable, and beginner-friendly, yet still delivers high-quality aerial shots. It comes with a 4K UHD camera, a 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, and 10 km FPV transmission, allowing you to fly further without losing signal. With a 31-minute flight time per battery, it's perfect for casual users, hobbyists, and travelers who want stunning drone shots without breaking the bank. For fun, casual flying, the DEERC D20 Mini drone is a great pick for kids and beginners. It features a 720p FPV camera that lets you stream and record videos in real time, making it an awesome way to explore the skies. This drone includes altitude hold for stable hovering, headless mode for easy flying, and even 3D flip tricks for some extra fun. With one key takeoff and landing, it's super easy to control, making it a perfect gift for young pilots. Plus, 2 batteries ensure longer playtime. Which drone are you picking? Drop a comment and let me know. And don't forget, check the description for all the links so you can grab your perfect drone today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech showdowns.